Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sanofi has completed its acquisition of Blueprint Medicines, adding Ayvakit for systemic mastocytosis and two pipeline KIT inhibitors, elenestinib and BLU-808, to its immunology portfolio. The transaction is expected to improve Sanofi's gross margin immediately and contribute to earnings per share after 2026. Otsuka Pharmaceutical has obtained worldwide rights to Cantargia's CAN10 program, an interleukin-1 receptor accessory protein targeting antibody for autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. The agreement includes $33 million upfront and up to $580 million in milestone payments, plus a backup antibody with similar properties. The European Crohn's and Colitis organization has issued its first international dietary guidelines for Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The consensus stresses routine access to dietitians, provides disease-specific nutrition advice, and offers guidance on peri-operative care to reduce malnutrition and surgical risks. BioCAD has started Phase 2 clinical trials of BCD-261 in Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. More than 1,000 patients across 11 Russian cities will be enrolled. Phase 1 results showed a favorable safety profile, and the company is investing over 3 billion rubles in the program. Health Canada has approved mirikizumab (Omvoh) for Crohn's disease, expanding its previous ulcerative colitis indication. In the VIVID-1 study, 45% of patients achieved clinical remission at 1 year compared with 20% on placebo. A citrate-free formulation has also been cleared to improve injection comfort. Novartis has discontinued development of ianalumab for Hidradenitis Suppurativa after the antibody did not meet efficacy targets in a Phase 2 trial. Other studies of ianalumab in B-cell-driven diseases, including Sjogren's syndrome and immune thrombocytopenia, will continue. China's National Atopic Dermatitis Treatment Guideline for 2025 emphasizes personalized therapy and highlights the role of JAK1 inhibitors and real-world data from the AHEAD registry. The guideline updates diagnostic criteria and aims to improve patient quality of life. The UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency has approved Urneffi, the first needle-free epinephrine Amevra nasal spray for treating anaphylaxis in adults and children over 30 kilograms. ALK Abelo plans to launch the product in late third quarter 2025. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.